Hey guys, today I'm going to show how to create the glitch effect in Premiere Pro. Let's hop into it. Now you must have your footage in the timeline. The place you want to glitch your footage, select the cut tool or C on your keyboard. Cut some frames as much as you'd like. The key is to be able to delete every other frame of the video. Like I showed you, you can keep two frames together as well. So once that is done, copy that frame holding Alt in your keyboard and drag the frame to the above timeline. After selecting the frame, let's head over to the effect controls. Now let's drop the opacity and change the exposition of your frame, creating the glitch effect. You can choose whatever position you'd like, left or right. That's only one frame, so let's do it again. Let's duplicate it again. By the way, you can change this to your preference. Also, you can open up the Lumetri color tab. Experiment with the highlights, contrast, and as much as you want. Also, by the way, to do an RGB split, go over to Effects tab and search for Arithmetic. And apply it to your frame. This gives you your red, green and blue channels. Head over to Effects Controls and change the Operator tab to Max. I'm going to choose 225 for red. Then go to your blending mode. Select linear dodge, change the frames positions, and you can see that. Also, you can add a sound for glitch. Apply it to the place where you have done your glitch. Also, I have a glitch sound which I will leave in the description. Experiment with these options to your preference. That's it from me today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please make sure you like, subscribe and share this video to anyone that helps, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.